equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing a wheel on your Conga 3690 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket wrench, a replacement wheel, and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by turning off the Conga 3690 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely powered down. Next, locate the screws that hold the wheel in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. If you find this task challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the wheel away from the base. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. Take a moment to clean the area where the wheel was attached. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting the performance of your Conga. Now, take your new wheel and align it with the mounting points. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them with your socket wrench. Ensure they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. If you're unsure about the process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. After securing the wheel, give it a gentle spin to ensure it moves freely. If it feels stiff, double-check that it's properly installed. Finally, plug your Conga 3690 back in and power it on. Test the wheel by running the device for a few minutes. If everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully changed the wheel. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. And that's it. You've completed the wheel change on your Conga 3690. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can keep your device running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.